The T100 features a next-level safety system with comprehensive upgrades. Equipped with a new LiDAR and millimeter wave radar, the T100 delivers safer and smoother, fully automatic operation. The LiDAR captures point cloud densities of up to 300,000 points per second for detailed obstacle mapping and seamless navigation across even the most challenging terrains. During operations, obstacles are automatically detected and saved into the field map, making each flight progressively safer. An advanced quad vision system delivers 360-degree real-time environmental awareness, ensuring takeoffs and automatic obstacle imaging in any flight direction. The T100 Night Vision Color FPV camera uses virtual gimbal technology combined with electronic stabilization algorithms for smoother video footage. Night navigation light improve visibility and ensure safe landings during operations at night. For hilly orchard flights, LiDAR teams up with an FPV camera to support fully automatic mapping, even in low light conditions. After survey, the system generates 3D construction maps with 80% improved wire detection, ensuring the most precise route planning for your next operation. To ensure stable and continuous power supply,